Anti-termite treatment. Basics. It is a pre-construction process to provide chemical barrier in the soil to protect buildings against termites. Its specification should be as per IS 6313 Part 2, for new construction works and as per IS 6313 Part 3 for existing buildings. It is required at all the surface which is in immediate contact to the soil. Procedure of application. Chemicals such as chloropyrifos 20% EC bearing ISI certification can be used. For that, dilute 1 part of chemical with 19 part of water to get 1% emulsion. Specified rates should be applied at each stages of treatment as suggested in earlier content with the help of pressure pumps and sprayers of adequate capacity for proper penetration of chemical. Application for masonry structure. As there are more voids in masonry than in an RCC structure, requirements are more severe at the bottom and sides of trenches, pits, foundations ensuring up to 300 mm height. After construction of foundations, along all the vertical surface, throughout the perimeter, which is in immediate contact with soil, dosage 5 to 7 liter per meter square for base and 7-9 liters per meter square throughout perimeter. Application for RCC structure. As concrete is dense, treatment is not required at bottom and sides of trench pits or foundations. Starting should be at 500 mm depth of natural ground level, for all surfaces in contact with soil with dosage 6 to 8 liters per meter square. Application in plinth filling, applied to the topsoil surface and below sandbed. Make seep holes of depth 50 to 75 mm at 150 mm center to center interval both ways using 12 mm diameter steel rod. Along floor and wall junctions 30 mm into 30 mm channel is to be constructed and make seep holes as above. Precautions to be taken while application. Ensure type of chemical used is as per local conditions and dosage as suggested by the chemical supplier. Remove all organic matter, construction debris, rubbish etc. and do not apply in waterlogged, wet conditions. Thoroughness and the procedure should be followed. If the soil surface is disturbed during construction, ensure proper steps of reapplication. Ensure treatment around waste pipes and conduits and additional treatment at expansion joints. Precautions for health and safety. All chemicals are highly poisonous and hazardous, hence keep the containers closed and secured. Wear protective clothing while handling the chemicals. Avoid flames in the vicinity during mixing. Never allow chemicals to contaminate any sources of drinking water.